All right, hello everybody. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Please subscribe, like, and share. I'm just getting the channel going, so I'd appreciate it very much. If you have any questions or comments, if you have a project you want me to look into, please feel free to leave it for me in the comments section. Today I want to discuss PigeonCoin and how to mine it. I'm here on their website, PigeonCoin.org. It's a social app, digital freedom for everyone. The price, 8.55 Satoshis, market cap 383 Bitcoin. Supply is 4.4 billion, 240 gigahashes. Here's a short video. The website's pretty bare bones, it gets right to the point. And this video pretty much explains it all. And then I'll discuss some things after the video.
Meet our Pigeon app, a new messaging and social media platform that is free to use and free from data collection. The Pigeon app will be easy to use for everybody. A fully integrated wallet makes sending and receiving funds or purchasing goods simple and natural. Our intuitive platform makes it easy to send and receive messages or start a new group message. Being able to find your friends is important. In Pigeon app, only verified users will have access to you and all social channels. Your private chats will be kept private and erased after 30 days. Public social channels will exist so everyone can interact. Talk about anything you like. Share and select your favorites, follow friends, and see what's new in the world. We have changed the rules, and digital freedom has never felt so good.
Okay, there you have it. It's a social media app, platform. You can chat, and it comes integrated with a wallet. It also has a public social media section there. In their app, it uses the X21S algorithm. And we know that Ravencoin and RitoCoin uses it. It is ASIC and FPGA resistant, so we like that. It uses less power. So we as GPU miners like that. So here are the mining pools, the official pool, the block explorer, the wallets. I chose Windows. Choose what works for you. NVIDIA, AMD. I'm using a NVIDIA Zotac 1060. The exchanges if you want to buy some. Okay, the official pool is PigeonCoinPool. But before I get to that, I just want to head over to the frequently asked questions because that's always important to check out. So their mission, we are using PigeonCoin, a mineable cryptocurrency, to build a social network which will never have to collect user data to pay the bills. Pigeons have been used throughout history to send messages. We're applying the Pigeon's legacy to modern communications. Get involved, the wallet, some mining. Our community has created GPU mining software for NVIDIA and AMD. With software available for Linux and Windows, see our front page for links. Exchanges, the technology, consensus, proof of work, algorithm, again, the X21S, difficulty, supply, 5,000 pigeon per block, 47.50 to miners, 250 or 5% to development. That's a good ratio, in my opinion. With a block time of 1 minute, having interval of approximately 4 years, max supply is approximately 21 billion, of which only 21% has been issued so far. A little bit high on the amount of coins out there, but... And you can read on more if you'd like to, get more in depth. This is just a brief overview. So let's go to the pool, PigeonCoinPool, PigeonCoin.org. I'll put that in the comments section. So they have a generator for your command line. I'm not using CC Miner, but you can use this command line here. You copy and paste this here. and bring it over to simple mining. As you can see, I'm mining it here. I'm using T-Rex. And here's the command line here. The algorithm X21S. Mining PigeonCoin, PGN. I'm using T-Rex, not CC miner. So you're going to add a group. You're going to go down to T-Rex. Here. Boom. And pick one of these. I am using 9.1. And put in your command line. Okay, let's go over to the rig list. I got my little rig running here on PigeonCoin. As you can see, I'm getting shares and the command line is working successfully. So I'm going to put all the information in the comment section. Please, again, appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. I'd appreciate it. I'm just getting the channel going. Let me know, are you mining PigeonCoin? Have you mined it? Do you like the project? Let me know in the comment section. If there's another project you want me to look into, please let me know. I appreciate it. Until next time, happy